Hello and welcome to the local news. Here outside of the scene, we're about to delve deep into a world of exploration and generation at Burlington's own generator. When do I get started?
Hi guys, this is Victoria Taylor and you're watching InnoVaTe on Vermont PBS. Today I'm going to check out Generator, a Burlington makerspace where art and innovative technology meet in a vibrant community of collaborators sharing space, tools, and knowledge.
Hi Victoria, welcome to Generator.
Thank you so much. You're Annika, right?
Yes.
Generator basically is a place where residents of Burlington and areas around Vermont can kind of come together and use a creative equipment that they might not have at their house. Am I right?
We have a spectrum of equipment to help people launch their own businesses or just have creative freedom.
Someone might decide, hey, I want to, take this show on the road or build something amazing.
That is our goal, to help people launch, so they're not supposed to stay forever.
Okay, so this is like the fledgling nest full of artists. And so what do we have over here?
Annika walked me through all the amazing spaces at Generator and introduced me to some of the members who showed me some of the cool projects they were working on.
Oh, this is difficult. And so this is the Pinball 3000 kit.
Pinbox 3000.
Pinbox 3000.
It comes flat packed, and then they punch out all the pieces.
And it's very light, and you can customize it a bunch of different ways.
And you can trade out the level.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I like the skull and the cupcakes. Yeah. Same functionality.
Yep.
Just different design. Well, I love that you guys are innovating the world of pinball. I've never seen a moving poem.
The idea is when they are together, you have the whole poem interacting with each other.
Okay.
And talking about the essence as machines, as robots. So it's a way for me to give voice to these creatures.
And how many tools have you used in the Generator space?
Pretty much everything and everyone.
Okay, so you've tapped into the entire network here.
Absolutely, otherwise it would be impossible.
With the 3D printing, we were able to make a CNC wire bender, and you can see inside.
Oh my
there
gosh.
Various planetary gears.
Wow. So what are some of your favorite pieces that you've created here in the Generator space?
Well, we've been doing these skulls that are quite a bit of fun, actually. They're human skulls, medical scans. We've been doing the bar stools that we've been working on as a company. We've been 3D printing the leveling feet here.
People come to me with ideas and I do the designs and we create the product. But I also have fun. This is a topographic map of Vermont I created.
It's beautiful.
I just had this concept one night about sculptures that glowed in the dark.
How has Generator helped you?
Well, it's a community, and there are people here doing all kinds of interesting projects. And if you have a skill, there's someone who you can help. And if you have a problem, there's someone who can help you.
This is a cymatic rig. Okay. And I do sonic performance and visual art. If you look under here, you can see the speaker.
Okay.
When we play them through here, you'll be able to see the vibrations make geometric patterns in the water. There it goes.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I can do some cool stuff where I just throw color in there to really enhance the visual effects. This is the very, very beginning of something I'd like to call the Right to Sound project. I am completely deaf in my right ear, but there are these crazy hearing aids out right now called bone-anchored hearing aids that you can snap right on once you've got all the hardware installed, and you can hear, but they're $5,000. And I found out that insurance companies do not cover any hearing aids regardless of the level of your disability. So I want to use this art, this science, this technology, and the Generator space to start this kind of movement where I do demonstrations and I talk to people and I raise funds, not only so that people know about this crazy problem, but hopefully raise enough funds to get those kids hearing aids. Burlington is truly the best place, and Generator are the best people to make this happen.
Annika's tour took me through all of the different workspaces where I was able to see the myriad of tools Generator makes accessible to its members. Generator's toolbox and workstations are extensive and range from rapid prototyping, where you can access a 3D printer, laser cutter, and more, the electronics department where there are soldering stations, microcontrollers, and basic parts, the jewelry making stations which provide a hydraulic press, rolling mill, drill press, flex shafts, acetylene torches, a PMC kiln, and buffing wheel. If that's not enough to get creative energies flowing, Generator also provides a metal shop with a TIG welder, bench grinder, floor drill press, bandsaw, sandblast cabinet, and more, and a machine shop with vertical milling machine, mill drill, and brake shear roll combo, and a wood shop with numerous equipment ranging from a CNC wood router to saws and more. I also got to see Generator's computer lab, where design software like Adobe, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, and more are made accessible. Finally, Annika introduced me to Denise Shakurjian, a founding member of the board, to learn all about how Generator got started and where Generator sees its place in the landscape of innovation in Vermont.
Denise, so lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet you too.
And so how did you get involved with the Generator?
Generator started 3 years ago. 10 of us got together, inspired by some interest in town. A couple of art shows had happened featuring digital artists, and the response to that was enormous. And we expected 200, we got 900 through the door.
Incredible.
So it was really a sign that this is gonna work.
So it sounds like you've gotten a lot of support from all different sorts of organizations and national level entities for Generator.
Right.
And where do you kind of see it going from here?
What we would like to continue doing is to create a space where art, technology, innovation, engineering all come together.
How has Generator influenced innovation in Vermont?
What we do is provide a space for the mixing pot of ideas and skills. That's a very fertile environment. It's cross-collaborative, it's accidental and intentional. These 4-foot walls are by design so that you can work over, look over, and support your neighbor, and your neighbor supports you. We have all sorts of ways for the conversation to flow. We're getting crazy, wacky projects coming out of here. I think you've seen those. But we're also creating skills where people can learn welding, woodworking, all of these skills, and go actually support themselves and their families in more traditional ways. So we teach, we innovate, we play. It's a very playful environment.
So the innovation never stops.
Never. Right.
And if people want to become involved with Generator, where can they go to learn more?
GeneratorVT.com. Everything you need to know is there. And then you would start with an orientation. They're held regularly. One of our members will walk you through and acquaint you with what you need to know, and if you want to take it to the next step after that, there are various levels of membership where you can join. We meet you where you need it, and that's what we're here for.
Well, I love that. It's been absolutely wonderful talking with you, Denise.
Same.
And thank you so much for creating Generator and for sharing what inspired it with all of us.
Hey guys, thanks for watching InnoVaTe on Vermont PBS. Today I learned if you're a mover and shaker and want to get your creative energy flowing, Generator in Burlington, Vermont is the place to be. You can learn more at their website, www.generatorvt.com.